Okay, in G2 and in G3, you'll see this small gear. You want to pause this video and count the number of teeth on that small gear. Pause it right now. Okay, the small gear is the same size in both G2 and G3, and the number of teeth you counted in G1 is the same as this larger gear that you will be using in both G2 and G3. So you only have to count it once. Okay? All right. So this is G2. And you can see that the smaller gear is hiding behind there. So this is the smaller gear and then the larger gear. Okay? And remember, you have to tell me which is the drive and which is the driven. So if you need to look and see which one is across from the handle, that may help you determine which is which. All right, and now we're going to turn the handle so you can see what happens. Okay, stop. That was 3 turns of the handle. So if you counted how many times the pointer, this is our output pointer, how many times the output pointer went around, that can help you decide if your gear ratio is correct. Okay?